Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use TikTok on PC, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for TikTok in Google. Now right after that you'll be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you need to click on it and you'll be redirected to the official TikTok page. And I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the TikTok on in the screen where you can see the get app button and bottom right corner. Just click over there and now you'll be able to see the section where you can see 4 download options. So you need to click on get it from Microsoft, and once you download it and once you open it you'll be able to see the TikTok interface or dashboard on in the screen. So basically this is how you can use TikTok on PC, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, please leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.